Hey there, how are you doing? Let me start by asking you a question. How is your current financial situation? Are you satisfied with your income and lifestyle, or do you feel like you need more abundance and prosperity in your life? Whatever your answer may be, know that you are not alone. Many of us crave a more prosperous and abundant financial life, but sometimes we don't know where to start or how to reach our goals. However, today I'm here to talk about a powerful tool that can help you attract more wealth and prosperity into your life: vibrational energy. Vibrational energy is a concept that is gaining more and more followers around the world. According to this concept, everything in the universe is energy and has a unique vibrational frequency. This means that everything, from thoughts and emotions to physical objects, has a unique vibration that can be measured. It is believed that when you raise your vibration, you attract experiences and things of similar vibration to your life. This is the basis of the law of attraction, which states that you attract what you think about and focus your energy on. Therefore, if you want to attract more wealth and prosperity into your life, you need to tune into the vibrational frequencies associated with those things. Many believe that there are specific vibrational frequencies associated with wealth and abundance. When you tune into these frequencies, you become a magnet for attracting money and prosperity into your life. On the other hand, when you emit negative energy or vibrate at lower frequencies, you may end up attracting negative experiences and things into your life. To raise your vibration and tune into the vibrational frequencies of wealth and prosperity, it is important to maintain a positive mindset, practice gratitude, and visualize yourself already having what you desire. Additionally, it is important to be generous, take care of yourself, and dedicate time to doing what you love. When you emit positive energy and tune into the vibrational frequencies of wealth and abundance, you will be creating an environment conducive to attracting more good things into your life. Practicing gratitude is a simple but powerful way to raise your vibration to a more positive frequency. When you focus on the things you are grateful for in your life, you are directing your attention to what is good and positive in your life. This can help change your perspective and attract more good things to you. Additionally, gratitude can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve the quality of sleep, and increase feelings of happiness and well-being. Practicing gratitude daily can be a simple but transformative practice to raise your vibration and attract more good things into your life. Visualizing what you want is a powerful technique for attracting what you desire in your life. When you visualize yourself already having what you want, such as a healthy bank account or a new home, you are emitting a positive energy vibration towards those things. This positive vibrational energy can help attract more of those things into your life as you tune into the vibrational frequencies that are aligned with your desires. Visualization is a simple yet effective practice to raise your vibration and help you attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. Being generous is a powerful way to raise your vibration and attract more abundance and wealth into your life. When you give freely without expecting anything in return, you are emitting a positive vibration of energy to the universe. This positive energy can help attract more good things into your life, including wealth and prosperity. Additionally, being generous can help cultivate a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the things you already have in your life. This positive attitude can help attract even more good things to you as you tune into the positive vibrational frequencies of the universe. Doing what you love is a powerful way to raise your vibration and attract good things into your life. When you dedicate yourself to doing what you love, you are sending a clear message to the universe that you are open to receiving good things in your life. This can help tune your vibration into the positive vibrational frequencies of the universe, which can attract more abundance and prosperity to you. Additionally, doing what you love can help increase your sense of happiness and well-being, which can improve your perspective on life and help you attract even more good things into your life. Practicing positive thinking is a powerful way to raise your vibration and attract more good things into your life. When you focus on positive thoughts and avoid negativity, you are elevating your vibration to a more positive frequency. This positive vibration can help attract more positive things into your life, including abundance and prosperity. Additionally, when you practice positive thinking, you are cultivating a positive and optimistic mindset towards life, which can improve your perspective and help you attract even more good things into your life. However, it is important to remember that vibrational energy is not a magical solution for becoming wealthy. Wealth comes with hard work, effort, and financial planning. Vibrational energy can be a useful tool to help you attract more abundance and prosperity in your life, but it is only a part of what is necessary to achieve wealth. It is important to have a solid financial plan and commit to it with dedication and discipline. Additionally, it is important to work hard and seek opportunities to develop your skills and increase your income. By combining the use of vibrational energy with effort and financial planning, you can maximize your chances of achieving the wealth and prosperity you desire. Dear friends, I hope this video has been helpful for you. Remember that vibrational energy can be a powerful tool to attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. However, as we mentioned earlier, this won't happen overnight. It takes commitment and dedication to achieve your financial goals. So, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope the information shared here can help you on your journey towards wealth and prosperity. With effort, financial planning, and the use of vibrational energy, you can achieve your financial dreams and become a successful person. So let's raise our vibration together and attract more abundance and prosperity into our lives. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.